Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would be able to get into your vehicle manually. Say your car battery is dead and you need to be able to get into your vehicle and you've been hitting the button and you know that your key fob battery is full or charged. How you would be able to unlock the door. You see this is just the fob and we can't see a key. We do have a keyhole here, but in your fob it's got a built-in manual key that you just push this little button. You can pull this tab back and then you have your standard key. Be able to put that in the door there and be able to unlock the door manually and turn it back. And then you would need to be able to get into the trunk to get to the battery itself to be able to jump start the battery. And we'll go over how you would get in the trunk manually, because the trunk itself won't open with the push button if that battery is dead. So we'll go over that in another step. But that's how you would unlock your car door manually, is with this key that is built into your key fob. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.